How to copy color grades in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and navigate to the Edit tab where you can begin working with project. Next, drag the footage from which you want to copy the color grading into your timeline, ensuring you have the clip ready for the process. After that, head over to the color workspace where all your color correction and grading tools are located. Now, create a second node in your current clip to start preparing for the color grade application. Once you have set up the second node, select the clip where you want to paste the color grade that was copied from another clip in the timeline. This is the clip you wish to apply the new color grade to. Now, hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard and click on the clip from which you want to copy the color grade. Then, right-click on it and choose the option Sort Match to this clip to apply the copied grading settings. After performing this step, you will have successfully transferred the color grade from one clip to another with all adjustments from the original clip now applied to the new clip. Now you can fine-tune the strength of the color grade or make any additional modification to suit your project's needs, ensuring a perfect match across your footage. And that's it. Now you know how to copy a color grade in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.